This thing is blocked for the millionth time. I've lost track of how many times I've blocked the back of this cab. Single wall, back wall cabs that have been dented and all kinds of nasty things done to them over the years. It takes its toll when you try to redo the work. So sometimes you just don't win. You just make the best of a bad thing. So what I'm doing is making equal amounts. This is how you do it. Now I leveled across, so I'm generally level. Now I individualize this one all the way to that one, all the way to that one, and then this one is its own, as you can see. So each panel becomes an individual, and they all get worked symmetrically together, and that's how you get a flat. And then if anything else that contours, I'll make it flow a little bit better so we're not putting so much material in. As you can see, I'm referencing everywhere, so I don't have a heck of a lot, but where I need it, you need it. That's just the way life is. Sometimes you have no choice, especially with today's day and age. This thing's on its third restoration. It's had several paint jobs underneath it. We took all of that off. Sometimes also that's a losing battle too. When you tear it all the way down, you want to upgrade it to previous work and get it better. In this case, we didn't. But we did get less material because we did work the panels a little bit more. So percentage-wise, less, heck yes. So that's where she's at. I'm going to put more 2K into this. You can see we're hitting the high build, and you can see the green is where our metal is because that is the zinc chromate. We zinc chromate onto the metal, high build, 4:1, block, 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 work the areas. If we have to bring up some areas, we can go back and use the platinum and then go back over again. That's not a practice I like, but sometimes you don't, again, have no choice. You're trying to level the panel. So that's where I'm at. A couple areas that are a little bit low, you see right about there. We got one low right over there. I'm hoping to get it out with the next coat of primer. That's where we're at in Doyce. Coming up.
We're going to go back a little to what they're saying.
Well, yeah, we're very far back. Yep.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, I've got these arms are going to hit these mounts coming down. Remember, we got to come past it.
Yep.
All right, now do me a favor. Stop. Stop. This truck's got to come over to the left. What?
I'm gonna watch over here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Do we have clearance to move it?
Go ahead. Yeah, move it. There you go.
All right. Let me let her down. We'll move it a little more.
Okay, I'm going to continue.
Give me about 1.5 inches.
All right, there you go.
A little bit more.
That's about all I can give you because I'm going to hit the running board.
All right, let's get the running boards off. It's the same thing we did on Hank's truck, so it ain't no big deal.
No.
Let's just get them off and we'll wrap them up and we'll deal with that later.
It's that fat Allen head, Kevin.
Shoot, I'm sweating like a Wong in church. Hey, if you are if you're going to get us all fired,
Oh,
even make money.
Money? The hell's money?
Put them on arms like this.
Do you need me to hold anything here?
No, I got it.
Sure.
Look at them big guns. There's Hank's guns right there.
Your big hands.
Trying to get that dang old running board bracket off of there.
Bring it down. Just bring it down. That's it, because this darn rubber doesn't even fit inside my side.
Don't worry about it. I will. I want to take this and put it up under the chassis and we'll raise the chassis over the cap.
Hey, are we doing the roundies or are we doing the channels?
We might have to do the channels to clear the running boards.
Yeah, we're going to either that or put extensions on them.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
Channels, the tall one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. You got to throw the tall one. You got to throw me a tall one, man. I'm not talking about it.
Well, you know what? If you're not talking about the beer, you're talking to the wrong guy. Yeah. Right, mine's where it needs to be.
I'm set on this one.
You're locked. Mine didn't lock.
Kevin, you got to get the backside.
Now mine's
I
locked.
already got it.
Are you locked, Kevin?
Yep.
Both?
Yep.
Are you good?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Touch it.
First time going up with the cap. Good?
Yep, I'm good.
All right, guys, I'm going all the way out there.
I don't want to say anything, but you're not only touching, you're touched.
I think it's good. First time with Doyces.
Hey, do me a favor, Hank.
What?
Just grab this thing and lay it over top of the frame. Because while it's up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fix that leak we got in the rear end too. The two bottom bolts, for whatever reason, man, they leak on every one of these rear ends.
Yeah.
God only knows why. He's giving a good yank through there. Oh, hang on. Oops, here we go. Okay, we're going to be able to wrap it all the way around the frame. There you go. All right, let's see. This thing should give it all now.
Go on.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Keep cranking down. Like
Exactly.
it don't matter. Even as big as you are, Hank, you ain't messing up that frame. All right, go ahead. Just throw that strap up in there. Because at the end, I'm going to go in here and the bottom bolt. It'll be easy when it's up in the air. All right, Hank on one side, you on the other. You know what? Let's get the cantilevers real quick. So hey, should I have been nervous yesterday at the doctor when she said that when she said it looked good when she checked me for hernia? I looked at her.
No, you should have been more nervous when the male doctor had both hands on your shoulders and said, I'm gonna check your prostate now.
Didn't have a male doctor, I had two women.
And you felt the poke without moving his hands.
I don't go to Dr. Wong's office. Yeah, she does. Let's see. All right. That'll be the next project. You got all that, Hank?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna go ahead. Well, the first one, fairly here coming out of that one. All right, we'll go ahead and get started on the rear end. Get that done.
Yeah, Kevin, when you're right on your side, the passenger side, those top 2 bolts are a lot stickier than the rest.
Should have just run a...
The passenger side was, or the driver's side, my side was smooth.
Yeah.
It's just the top 2 over here, though.
Yeah, we should have just run a tap down it there just to clean them
It'll
up.
work though, right? It's,
Yeah,
we're not going to take them back off anyway, guys.
It's going, but
Yeah.
this side is a lot easier.
Yeah, it's just what it is.
And that, my son, hopefully it's done.
Looks good.
We gotta unstrap this and put it back down.
Yeah, we're going to put it back down. We're going to strap it, and then we're going to get ready to roll her over. And
He's profound when he says some stuff.
Strap on?
We got to unstrap this thing because we got to take it to the other side.
yeah.
We ain't taking the whole damn lift. Hey, God bless you.
General conversation.
Hey, even Earl's laughing.
He's laughing.
He's laughing because that's some funny stuff right there. I'm going to tell Stacy you're messing up.
Oh, it's really nice because the cab alignment on this is identical to Hank's. It fits right on the chassis. It's right on the chassis, right on the money. I mean, it just lines right up. Look at it, dude. It's the same as yours. It lines right up.
That whole Earl, Hank.
All right, watch
There wasn't a creeper or rattle in your truck and it tracked nice and straight.
That's all up real quick.
Yes, sir.
Because you always run into them, you always feel something that doesn't feel quite right. The damn truck was just nice.
Yeah, coming down. Kevin, watch yourself.
I'm ready. Come on.
Seems like we've done this like a zillion times.
No, it ain't on Hank's side yet.
Here you go, Mike.
Got it all the way in there?
Yeah.
I'm watching it. Hey, come on, give me a little push there, boys. How we looking? Good, right there. That's all we need.
Oh, we gotta meet your pet.
Like the German. Like the German thing. Food time.
Hi, everybody. Just wanted to give you a rundown of what was going on in the shop. Saw earlier in the video, Dan picked up his 57 Chevy. He's now assembling it back at his shop. So very pleased. Everything was good. Doyces' truck is on the chassis. Of course, the engine is all covered up. I'll unveil it. It's been a hot day. And take all that off and take some pictures of it. It looks pretty cool. Anyway, with that said, hope everybody is doing well watching this video. And thanks so much for checking in with us. We'll keep doing some more updates as we go. Everybody, until then, take care. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.